Hey, what's up everybody? It's King Camry. Welcome back to another video, man. Finally, today we are going to be installing some real carbon fiber onto the King Camry build. But before we do get started, I want to give a huge thank you to the friends over at Engineering Carbon. If you guys do not know who they are, make sure you guys show some love. Check them out. They have so many carbon fiber pieces, parts for your Camry. Anything that you do want to get done, they will have it ready for you guys. They have this huge advantage that since not only they are the seller, they are also the people that make this. So that really does make it even more cheaper for all of you that are interested in picking up some carbon fiber pieces. These are all top quality. They are really standing by all their parts, you guys. And if you guys do have any issues with the fitment or anything, they will take care of you because they are all about the quality. And they won't be giving you that 20% refund or trying to charge you 15% restocking fee. So if you guys want to get some info and are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put down their link down below in the description. I have spoken to them and they are currently working on getting that website set up. So right now they only have their Instagram. You can message them through there and they will take care of you. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be installing this carbon fiber trunk piece from Engineering Carbon, you guys. The install is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it done. Also, if you're interested on how to remove that little trunk piece, I'm going to be showing you guys in this video also as well. And as soon as the sun comes out, because that's when the carbon fiber is looking at its best, you guys are going to see what the quality they have in it. But the sun, man, it needs to come out. I need summer already. All right, you guys. So as you guys can see, I already have this OEM piece taken off. This is the one that was originally with my car, and I went ahead and I replaced it with this LED light bar. So the same way I'm gonna remove this right now is the same way how you remove this if you have something like this. As you guys can see, there are no Camry letters because I went ahead and took that off simply because I want the carbon fiber piece fitment to be very, very nice and clean and just chilling on that OEM piece right here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is that we're gonna go ahead and remove these trunk lights, this one and this one. I'm gonna show you guys, and it's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and do this. Well, I haven't really showed you guys the piece yet, but man, I'm sorry for all this stuff in my car, you guys, man. I am so behind in just putting stuff onto my car. I need to get all this junk done. It's not even junk, it's expensive junk. So this is where this is how Engineering Carbon sent out their stuff. Really good packaging, no issues with it. So let me go ahead and take this out real quick. Okay, so it is already out of that little tube box, and man, I know the sun's not out, but as soon as it is, I'm going to show you guys better. So this just goes over right here into this OEM piece, and boom, that's about it. They did tell me that if you want something like this with the carbon fiber just on there, like just ready for you to put on, they can also get that on. So even though regardless, I am just happy with this, no imperfections, man. Like I said, the sun's not out, but as soon as it comes out, I'm gonna show you guys, man. Impressed, very impressed. All right, so let's go ahead and install this. I'm gonna show you guys what you gotta do to remove that piece. So as you guys can see, we're gonna have to remove this whole thing, and don't worry, it is super easy. You just need a flathead, a knife, a fork, something to get you inside here, and boom, that is how you remove these pieces. I believe it's like 16 or 12. I'm not sure because I don't know how to count. Just kidding. And once you remove this, you guys gonna see me do it in a time lapse. There's gonna be 3 of these bolts. So let me just take this piece off and show you guys afterward what you gotta do. Alright everybody, so now that we have that little liner off, we're gonna go ahead and remove the tail lights from the trunk already. And the way you do it is that you're gonna be using this 10mm socket. You can use this ratchet or an impact, whatever you want. As long as you get it done, you can be removing 1, 2, 3 of these nuts. The same thing for this side, this one, this one, and this one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. Let's get it. All right, so now you just gotta go ahead and disconnect these wires, your headlights, from the main power. It's pretty easy. You just gotta boom and boom. And this is technically already ready to pop off. Try to do it with one hand. And that is how you take them off. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove this plastic piece right here, because this piece right here is gonna go onto the OEM one. Since that plastic piece is finally off, the reason why I need to remove that is that there is two nuts right there. We're gonna go ahead and remove these two, and as soon as these two come off, this whole piece should be ready to pop off. Alright, so now it should be able to pop off easily without any issues, but that is what you need to do to get that centerpiece off of your trunk. Let's go ahead and take this off, man. Alright, so we are finally ready to install this piece. The sun is finally out, so let me take advantage and show you guys engineering carbon fiber piece for your trunk. Wow, man, this thing is super lightweight. It feels like a feather, like I'm holding something super light. They definitely put a lot of quality and work onto this piece. I am very impressed. Wow. So we're gonna go ahead and we're finally gonna be putting this onto the carbon fiber, onto the Camry piece. Alright, you guys, so I already went ahead and installed the carbon fiber piece from Engineering Carbon onto my OEM trunk part. And may I just say, fitment is on point. I had no issues with fitment. Everything is sitting nice and tight. With the double side tape, it's holding onto it perfectly. So now it is ready to install. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this mess up. So the carbon fiber is finally installed onto my car. I want to give a huge thanks to Engineering Carbon for giving me the opportunity to show this to all of you that probably will be interested in this or probably not. It's up to you guys if you guys want to pick this up. This is real carbon fiber. This is not eBay plastic, and there's nothing wrong with eBay plastic, but in the lifetime of your parts, you always want stuff to last long and to be durable and also good quality, and this is definitely the case. So if you guys are interested, hit them up on Instagram. Ogromne spasibo, Engineering Parts. Thank you so much for all of you guys watching this video today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. A lot of things going on for the Camry. We ain't playing no more. Peace, you guys.